And now finally, we are going to finish the eye makeup. I'm using this e.l.f. eyeliner pencil in the shade White. It's a shimmery white eyeliner. And then I use the LA Colors Volume Extreme Mascara. And this is, let me see, Extreme Black. So I'm going to put a little mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm going to put a coat of mascara on my top lashes. And I'm using the Marry Your Lashes glue. Marry Your Lashes glue, the Lady Elise beauty brand. So this is for your mink lashes. It goes on clear and dries clear, and I really like it. It really helps your lashes to look super natural. For your lashes, you put that lash band in the middle, then you put the outer corner and the inner corner of the lash band into place. That glue is a little sticky right now, but just making sure the lashes are on really good. So this is how you do a glitter and pearl cut crease. Glitter and curl cut crease. So I hope you have enjoyed very much this makeup class. And so now you can show off your new makeup skills on your Instagram, on your YouTube channel, and on your Facebook, on your Pinterest, on your TikTok, on your Twitter. And definitely stop the video, pause the video, rewind the video as many times that you need to, so you can practice, practice, practice. So thank you for allowing me the opportunity to teach you some glitter and glamour eyeshadow looks. And go ahead and tell your friends about this free class and give a good review. The company is on Pilot. I'm sorry, trustpilot.com. So on trustpilot.com, you can give us a review. Tell us about your experience, your opinions. And on trustpilot.com, you can search ElisePink.com, or you can search Lady Elise Beauty. You can search the company name, or you can search the website. Either way, you will definitely find us listed on trustpilot.com. So thank you very much. And happy glitter and glamour. Stay creative, stay wonderful, stay beautiful.